In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Gantt chart view. Whether you're planning a sprint, coordinating a campaign, or mapping a project timeline, the Gantt view gives you a clear, visual schedule so you can see what's happening and when. Start by opening your board. This is your home base for tasks and projects. Take a second to glance at your items and columns so you're familiar with what you'll be viewing on the timeline. The Gantt view doesn't replace your board. It gives you a timeline perspective on the very same information, which makes it great for planning and adjusting work without losing context. Next, click the plus add view option. This is how you bring a new perspective into your board. You're not changing your data here, you're simply choosing a different way to visualize it, which means you can switch back and forth anytime. From the list of available views, select Gantt. Once you do, your board items will be translated into bars on a horizontal timeline. Each bar represents an item placed according to its date information. Longer bars indicate longer durations, while shorter bars show brief tasks. Think of this as your project calendar, where you can instantly see scheduling, overlap, and gaps. Before you go any further, make sure you have a date column and a timeline column if you need start and end dates. The date column is perfect for tasks with a single due date. The timeline column is ideal when an item spans multiple days with a clear start and finish. The Gantt view relies on these columns to know where each item should appear. If the dates aren't present on an item, it simply won't show up as a bar, so confirming your columns now ensures the timeline reflects your work accurately. Now view your tasks on the timeline. Scan across weeks or months to understand how your work is distributed. You can quickly spot overlaps, identify busy periods, and see what's coming next. To fine-tune timing, just drag the bars to adjust dates. Move a bar left or right to shift the start and end together, or grab an edge to extend or shorten the duration. As you drag, the corresponding dates on the item are updated, so your board and the Gantt view always stay in sync. This makes it easy to respond to changes in scope or priority without hunting through individual rows. That's all you need to start using the Gantt chart view with confidence. Open your board, add the view, select Gantt, confirm your date columns, and manage your schedule by dragging bars directly on the timeline.